So here I want to show you a better way to create your own LinkedIn post that will gather the latest news in the internet, and the news you can choose any topic you want to search in your industry. And they combine the news content, most relevant news content, with your own knowledge base to create a LinkedIn post that can not only triggers people's thoughtful thinking about the news content, but can also subtly introduce your company's service and how it's related to that news, and write a soft LinkedIn post that is like what Tableau is doing. Currently, the Tableau doesn't support the knowledge base uploading, and you have to manually pick the content and also manually search the industry news to click agree or not agree to curate the content. So what I'm going to show you is the automatic way to do it 24 hours without any intervention. Uh, so here is how it's working. First, you go to make flow, and you have three modules of chat data. One is chat OpenAI, and two LinkedIn posting service. The first one is that it will gather the latest news on the market, and with your choosing topic. So there is a list of topics that I choose from, and I give the topic to the chatbot. So, for example, in this round, I give the topic is real-time voice-to-voice communication. It will randomly pick one from your list. Then it will summarize the news content into structured data with the OpenAI module. Afterwards, it will send the news to the next chat data module, and the chat data will get the news. Then it will output the LinkedIn posting response. Then you can just publish this article in the LinkedIn module. And be sure to add the response, also add the original news article as media data. So here is what it looks like in a company account. So for example, we have this one. This one is generated and it will fetch the latest news and tell what our service we do is related to the latest news, and set the uh, original article. Let's go through. Let's visit what each module is doing in our company in the chatbot. So first, this is tech news summary module. This is the first module that you want to get the latest news from your industry. So the input of the user is a topic. After the user gives a topic, it will do the web search, then filter results, and it will identify the most relevant uh, online search result related to the topic, and output the summary of the news. That's the purpose. And you want to specify the time to ensure that it will give the latest news. For example, here I wanted to fetch news only the past month, and you set up the time for the chatbot so that it will know when it is today. And we add the web search action here. This AI action is to fetch the latest news. Then I enable it to prioritize the latest search results, and it will also enforce the data restriction when it's doing search. And these are the domains I want the article to search from. I want the chatbot to search the article from. You can add your own preferred AI or any newsletter, any news company domain here, it will only pick the news from here. Then in that example one, I give it a topic, and it will find the latest news of Apple and summarize the content. You can see that the date is a very recent date. Then it will send the output content to the post writing module, the post writing chatbot. This post writing chatbot is one of those two. It gets the latest news article, and it also has the knowledge base of your company. Here I uploaded all the related service we do with chat data through website directly. It will directly train your chatbot by the website content. Then, for example, here I write the base prompt that what the chatbot is doing is to get the latest news content, write a thoughtful, provoking content, and then subtly introduce what chat data service is related to the post news, and specify the format it should output. Then I enable the time of the chatbot so that it will know when it is a day. Here is the example one that it will give the latest news, and then the chatbot will output the content of the LinkedIn post based on both the latest news and your own knowledge base. For example, let me do an actual one. So I click here. The chat data service, it will fetch the latest news. Say that here it will get the latest news with the real article and the news content. And this will transfer it to structured data like a title, URL, and the content. Then it will send it to the next chatbot to write a LinkedIn post, and then it will get published. This is for organization publishing. This is for personal publishing, and both seems published successfully, right? So let's visit my LinkedIn and to see if I get the LinkedIn publish. First, the company account. You can see that this is just published, and it will give what the latest news is about, and it will talk about our service, how it's related. And this is the original article that it gets from the internet. So it is this is quite recent published, that published on March 22nd. It's quite new, yesterday published. So this can ensure that your LinkedIn post is always based on the latest news in the internet, and also based on the knowledge base of your company. My personal account should always also get published similar article, but it's written in a different style that I do not mention chat data. That's how you can configure the base prompt of your chatbot to achieve this. Both will get cite the original news article. So by using this, you will build a way better LinkedIn publish flow by yourself. And I have set up the time to run this flow every 3 hours. So it means that every 3 hours, it will fetch the latest news in the internet, create a thoughtful and most updated LinkedIn post based on the knowledge base of your company, and publish it in LinkedIn. That's it. Thank you for trying out our service to build your own LinkedIn flow.